The Omicron variant has reached India and states are gearing up with preparations. 4 new cases now have been reported, this time in also other regions of the country. We're now hearing information that Omicron has been detected at LNJP Hospital in Delhi. These infected international travellers are from the UK, France and Netherlands. Yesterday, 8 cases were detected from international travellers. Delhi government has also increased its beds and oxygen supply to tackle any COVID threat. Rajasthan also is on alert after 4 people who recently returned from South Africa tested positive. 5 of their contacts also test positive and in quarantine presently. Their samples have been sent for the genome sequencing. In Tamil Nadu's Trichy, meanwhile, 1 passenger who travelled from Singapore also tested positive. So there are different regions that are reporting these cases of the new variant. Their samples also of Tamil Nadu have been sent for genome sequencing. Stalin government has created separate wards at 4 medical college hospitals, asking all passengers to isolate in their home. However, there is a little scare in Karnataka where 20 foreigners by now are untraceable. They've gone missing. Out of them, the 10 foreigners had come to Bengaluru with a travel history from African nations.
Ten people tracking them is not going to be an issue. We'll definitely track them, but I would like to appeal to all those people to behave responsibly, because you don't have the freedom, you don't have, you should be ethical in your behavior. You can't switch off because you are positive and spread to your near and dear ones and the people whom you do not know. So this will be unethical on anybody's part. So I request and I appeal all of them to behave more responsibly, more maturely.
ಟ್ರೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಅದು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಯಾರು ಫೋನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡದಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕ್ರಮ.
ಸರ್, ಸಿಗದೇ ಇರೋದು ನಿಜನಾ ಸರ್? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 10 ಜನ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ
ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ ನೀಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೇರ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾನು ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೇಫ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಅಗತ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು.
Kerala has taken all the possible steps in the context of the new variant Omicron. So we are doing RT-PCR tests at the airports, and all the high risk, all the travelers who are coming from high risk countries, they are asked to do the RT-PCR test on arrival, and they have to undergo 7 days of home quarantine.
पुलिस आज से अभियान चलाएगी, नो मास्क नो मूवमेंट, उसकी शुरुआत की है आज. वो विनम्रता से आग्रह करेंगे जो भी मास्क जिस पर नहीं होगा उसे लगाने का. थोड़ी लापरवाही देखने को जो आ रही है, उसके लिए पुनः जागरूक अभियान है.
अभी भी ओमाइक्रॉन का एक भी रुग्ण मुंबई में अभी तक ये टाइम तक एक ही रुग्ण पाया नहीं गया है. आपके माध्यम से मैं लोगों को कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप डरो मत, लेकिन कोविड-19 कोरोना जैसा खत्म नहीं हुआ है.
After 2 days of utter chaos at the Delhi International Airport, things seem to have quietened down. Passengers travelling from various countries have told India Today that things are running smoothly. According to sources at the Delhi International Airport, more than 2,000 people opted for the rapid PCR test in the past 24 hours. The rapid PCR test is costing 500 rupees and the result is out in 90 minutes. More than 800 people opted for the RT-PCR test, which means that more people are opting for the rapid PCR test. The RT-PCR test is costing 3,500 rupees and the results are out anywhere between 5 to 6 hours. Passengers say the only thing they need from the Indian government and the authorities is to tell them beforehand about these tests. Many people were caught off guard even though they got the test done before they boarded their flights from their respective places. If your destination is Delhi International Airport, be prepared to wait inside for at least 2 to 3 hours after you land, because the test is taking time. People, however, say that the waiting area inside the airport is large and all the chairs are kept keeping the social distancing in mind. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today with camera person Anup Prajapati.